can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 8.2, which is the very good. A set of FAQs is now displayed on the screen, which may address many of the basic questions about this hotel. Room category 1. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. Next, we talk about amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the hotel is superb and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. Categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel, along with various meal plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, will meet again in a new video with a new topic. Be safe, be happy.